Hello, so today we are going to discuss the EHS observation report. How you can make a EHS observation report as a safety officer or supervisor. So first you can make a simple template. Here you can mention the company logo and here you can write the EHS observation report. Uh, Next slide. Here the classification you can always mention the internal use and here the observation and near misses. So the number of observation, for example, this one has first observation, second, third, and fourth. Here we can mention the time, like what time we are report this observation, location, description, recommendation, pictures, and status. So here you can see I write the observation number first is reported on 8 a.m. and workshop security room. So the description, the security room in the poor condition has required improvement. Reduce the size of the room to the better accommodate it, integrate functions, and the room is bright to a good condition comfort standard. So, in the status, the most important thing is the status. So here, if for example the status is mention open, open means the observation have still on pending. The observation has not closed. So if we are mentioned here close, it means the observation has completed. So when you can write the close, like for example, the observation once the corrective action or corrective measurement is taken or implemented on the place, so you can mention a clause. So again, you can write the front side of the maintenance. This is the workshop observation report, the rooms, housekeeping, and the workshop accommodation and workshop accommodation again, everything was mentioned. Okay, so the cooking material which is found inside the accommodation, so uh, like everything was mentioned on the report. Even in the workshop, for example, if there is uh, no marking in the proper way, so you can also mention the ground round in the terminal workshop is not floor marking. So this is the simple template for the observation. If you are making any observation for your company, so you need to put first is the serial number, time, location, description, recommendation, pictures, and status. If the corrective action is taken, so you can write here close. For example, in the last observation, 20 observation, you can see the workshop and I mentioned the description and recommendation. But in the picture, you can see the corrective action is taking. So we are mentioned here close.